Yeah, really watching the bigger systems heading our way later on this week. But yeah, tonight there could be some issues, just enough maybe to cause a slippery spot or two, so don't get caught off guard by that, because we are talking so much about Wednesday's snow potential. And then there is another system behind that one for Friday and Saturday, but we're going to focus on the first two. That chance for some light snow showers tonight, and then that bigger one for later in the day Wednesday and wrapping up Wednesday night. Here's a look out in Waukesha right now. Plenty of clear blue skies. It was a cold start to the day, but temperatures have warmed up nicely. We're now sitting at 27 degrees in Waukesha. Just a light wind out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour, adding a bit of a wind chill, but nothing too crazy as you step outside. Feels pretty good if you can find a corner with some of that sunshine coming through. 25 in Port Washington, 27 in Waukesha, 21 in Fond du Lac, 31 in Kenosha, the first spot to reach into the 30s for this afternoon. Notice clear skies continue across the state. There are some more clouds, though, sitting off to our west, and even some light snow moving from the Dakotas, Nebraska into Iowa. This is part of that weak system that's going to try to bring the chance for a couple snow showers as we head through the overnight hours for tonight. So for the rest of the day, plenty of sunshine. Some clouds increase towards sunset, and into the overnight hours, we'll look for some of those isolated scattered snow showers to mix in as we fall back down towards the teens. So here is one of the models that we're looking at here. Notice this band of some light snow activity. This model is kind of saying, hey, along and north of 94, seeing the best chance for a few flurries, and then it kind of fizzles out through the morning hours. Could be just enough for a quick dusting in some spots. That's about all we're looking at with this system. Overall, partly to mostly cloudy skies for tomorrow, with temperatures sitting near 20. So it will be colder for tomorrow as well behind that weak system. So tonight, a few snow showers, teens for lows, less than a half inch of accumulation. Now let's talk about that system for Wednesday. This one has more promising signs now to bring a few to maybe several inches of snowfall. We'll take a look at that first snowfall map here in just a second. But notice it starts midday Wednesday and really fills in. Notice how some of the darker blues creep into southern Wisconsin, and you're going to get lake enhancement. That's the winds out of the northeast coming across Lake Michigan, picking up moisture and dumping more snowfall across southeastern Wisconsin and northern Illinois closer towards the lakefront. Then it starts to wrap up Wednesday night into Thursday morning and quickly departs off to the east. So here's our initial forecast here. 5 to 7 right along the lakefront from Milwaukee County straight down. This is the enhancement zone for some of those winds. There could be isolated higher totals than that, but 5 to 7 in general. And then it drops off as you head further off to the northwest, 3 to 5 inches, and even lower as you get out towards the Dells and head towards central Wisconsin. So a lot of systems recently have been missing us to the north. This one will be just on our area and further down to the south in northern Illinois. Ahead of it, they're already issuing some winter storm watches down towards Kansas City and Wichita. We'll see if these get extended off into Illinois and here in southern Wisconsin as well. So we'll be tracking that carefully over the next couple of days. We're about 48 hours out from that starting to begin. We'll look at the chance for a couple of those flurries on Tuesday morning as that system departs. More snow on Wednesday. Then we get a break on Thursday. We'll watch that next system for Friday into Saturday. Could bring a couple more snow chances in the forecast by the weekend. All right.